Afternoon, everybody. I'm sitting here in the Ranger. It's kind of cold out, but it's sunny. So for the first time in quite a few days, the weather isn't absolutely garbage. So I think we're going to go down to the barn, hook up the stump grinder to the little BX, and maybe if the ground is dry enough out in the field where I want to cut trails, we'll see if we can get a few stumps ground. I'll bring you along. All right, we're down in the area that I want to grind stumps in. As you can see, all this foliage, I'm not a plant guy, I don't know, but I know a large percentage of this is raspberries. And once they turn green, they take this whole area over. It's maybe a 2 or a 3 acre portion of our property. They had it logged 10 or 15 years ago. If you can see all the stumps here, up there. If I waited until this foliage turns green and thickens up, I'll never be able to get in here and grind the stumps. Here's one right here. Luckily, it's been so long since they did anything that these are just rotted away. So hopefully, I hit them with the stump grinder and they disappear easily. Here's another one. Not much there, so I'm hoping they go away quick. That way I can cut a trail around the perimeter. Now that we know that field that I want to grind the stumps in is dry enough, it's not perfect, but the little BX will be fine on there. Now I have to go hook up the grinder to the BX and then come back and set up and start grinding. I never realized when making YouTube videos how much time, setup time there is involved, and how little you get accomplished because of setting up for drones and cameras and just stuff like I'm doing right here. Explaining things to the camera to you folks, which obviously you want to know, I think, what I'm doing, but it just decreases the amount of time and the amount of stuff you can accomplish per day because of it. But let's go try and get set up. Okay, everyone, as you can see, we got the grinder on there. We're out in the field, we're ready to go. And yes, the PTO spins as long as the emergency brake or parking brake is on. Actually, mine spins right now without the parking brake on because the fuel shutoff solenoid isn't working correctly, so whatever. Now I just have to walk the field and find my stumps and get some work done. Talk to you in a minute. All right, here's one of the stumps. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's 6 inches above the ground. It should be cut lower, but this shit is so old, and my property grows rocks, and there's rocks everywhere, so instead of running a saw chain through there, I'll just grind it and hope for the best. But that's what we're contending with. There's another one right there, but we'll give it a shot, see what happens.
Here's that first one again. I think as long as I'm here, I'm going to hit it just a little bit more. I think if I raked all the, or used the bucket to scoop all the residue over it, I'd be all right. But as long as I'm here with the grinder on, I may as well hit it once more. I hit it once more. It's down pretty good. I would say a couple, 3-4 inches below grade. So once I scrape all the crap around it, the chips and the dirt back on top, I should be able to brush hog over that no problem. Thanks for watching, guys.